Hi guys, happy Friday. I am here to do another recap. This morning I didn't really like anything on my watch list, and I was so thankful when one of the members in the Bearable Traders chat room called out JPM. They called it out, said it looked really strong, so I pulled it up and it was doing a perfect 5-minute opening range breakup. On the 2-minute right here, it was strong, then came back and tested the VWAP, and then it also did it on the 1-minute as well, as you can see here. As soon as it made a 1-minute high, I went long. My first partial was very quick, too quick. And I know that's something that I'm really working on. Aside from the first partial, I feel like I've managed the trade fairly well. I had this level marked from the weekly, 93, and then I had a 93.25 level marked from the weekly and a 93.48. So I partialed here at this level, partialed at this level. Then it came back and was consolidating really nice on this level that I had marked. And you can tell on the 1-minute as well that it, right here, that it was forming an ABCD pattern and consolidating nicely. So I went ahead and added to my position. And then my next profit target was this level that I have marked right here, this 93.48. And it was so strong through that level that when I partialed there, it was above that level, which was great. But now looking at it, I wish I would have just not partialed there and waited to partial heavily on this this marked level right here. Because it was so strong beyond that level, there was really no need for me to partial there. But I sold most of my position at this level right here. And then I just felt it was getting toppy. That's why, and then that wick that went straight up to that level. Anyhow, I partialed heavily there, and then it came back down, tested the VWAP again. Luckily, when I added to my position, my stop loss was now right below this level I had marked. So it came down, and I was within pennies of getting stopped out of the rest of my position. So then it came back up and it tested this 93.48 level again, and I saw that it was just heavy, so I partialed again right here. Most of my position, I probably only had 5% of my position left. That stopped me out at break even down here at this level. But I felt this was a great trade. It was a one and done. If I didn't mention before, my stop loss was below the VWAP right here. Right here, the previous low of the 2-minute, the 1-minute, and the loss of the VWAP. So overall, it was pretty good risk to reward trade. It was a one and done thanks to a member in the Bearable Traders chat. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. The lake is calling my name. I'm about to head out. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.